Okay, so today we've got a brand new Ferrari to show you. Come check this out. This is a Ferrari Amalfi and it replaces the Ferrari Roma, and it's got an amazing V8 engine. It does look kind of similar to the Roma, but here at the back, it does look a little bit different. This front end has been completely redesigned. There's loads of changes inside, and I really like it. I really like this car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Bye! Right, is that us? Oh my gosh, the sun is bright.